wonder if you all realize how difficult it is for Jamaica not to qualify for this World Cup. I've been telling you all, this qualifying group was sent from heaven above. What we've done so far is what was expected of Jamaica. We were expected to beat lowly Bermuda. We did that convincingly. We are also expected to win all our home games. And we won the first one, which happens to be against Trinidad. Now, even if Jamaica goes on to win all the remaining games and qualify for this World Cup, nothing will be spectacular about that. Because again, we are expected to beat these lowly ranked teams. The intrigue in this World Cup qualifying campaign is in pondering how, when, where, and under what circumstances could the Reggae Boyz conceivably come up with some kind of method not to qualify directly for the World Cup from this group. Sorry, from this soup group.